Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're taking a look at the Fieety V7 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner, a 600-watt powerhouse packed with features to make cleaning your home a breeze. Whether you're struggling with pet hair on carpets or looking for a cordless solution that can handle both floors and upholstery, this vacuum promises to tackle it all. Stick around as we explore how well it measures up. The Fieety V7 Pro is a cordless vacuum designed with a market-leading 600-watt brushless motor, delivering a staggering 50,000 PA of suction power. What does that mean in real-life terms? Well, it's about having a vacuum that can pull out dirt, dust, and debris without breaking a sweat. 3 suction modes give you flexibility: Eco mode for longer battery life, Standard mode for a balanced clean, and Boost mode for those tough-to-remove particles. On carpet, hard floors, or pet hair, it has the juice to get the job done efficiently. But there's a neat twist. When you turn off the vacuum in standard mode, it enhances suction for a couple of seconds, ensuring that the airflow and brush remain debris-free, preventing any mess from falling back onto the floor. On to the runtime, and this is where things get interesting. The Fieety V7 Pro is equipped with 8 lithium-ion batteries, which provide up to 65 minutes of runtime in Eco mode. In Standard mode, you're looking at 35 minutes, and if you push it to Boost mode, you'll get around 20 minutes of heavy-duty cleaning. For homes up to 1,100 square feet, this is plenty of power to cover your floors, furniture, and even those hard-to-reach corners. If you have a larger space, you might need to recharge sooner, but the 65-minute runtime still stands out in the category. Another standout feature is the 3.3-foot extended hose, which transforms the vacuum into a versatile handheld cleaner. Whether you're cleaning stairs, upholstery, or the interior of your car, the added hose lets you extend the vacuum's reach, making it perfect for those who want a flexible solution for multiple areas. The hose adjusts easily, allowing you to customize the length in 2-centimeter increments for better control over your cleaning. If you're a pet owner, this vacuum could be a game changer. The optimized floor brush features dual rollers, soft and stiff, to lift embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The integrated comb design minimizes tangling, which is a huge bonus for anyone with long hair or furry friends. For carpet and rug owners, the Max mode combined with the powerful floor brush ensures that even stubborn dirt is lifted without too much effort. One of the most modern features of the Fieety V7 Pro is its smart LED touchscreen. It's an intuitive way to keep track of the vacuum's performance, displaying the suction mode, remaining battery life, and even reminders for filter maintenance. It also notifies you when there's clogging, which helps to keep the vacuum running efficiently. For users who love smart gadgets, this adds a whole new level of control. In terms of build quality, the Fieety V7 Pro feels solid. The design is sleek, and it's surprisingly lightweight for such a powerful machine. It's easy to maneuver, whether you're pushing it across hard floors or guiding it through tight spaces with the handheld option. The battery life is also a strong point, and the quick charging feature ensures that you're not left waiting too long between uses. Now, how does it perform in real-world situations? Cleaning fine dust and crumbs off hard floors is a breeze, with the vacuum picking up even the tiniest particles with ease. Moving to carpets, it handles pet hair remarkably well, lifting it out of both plush and flat surfaces without needing multiple passes. When cleaning stairs, upholstery, or even cars, the extended hose and versatile attachments work wonders. The Max mode delivers the power needed to remove ingrained dirt, but be mindful of the shorter battery life when using it on Boost. Of course, no vacuum is perfect, and the Fieety V7 Pro is no exception. On the downside, if you have a lot of thick carpeting, you might notice that it requires more passes in Boost mode to get the deep clean you want. While the runtime is good for most homes, larger spaces may require more frequent recharges. The noise level is also a bit higher in Boost mode, which may not be ideal for those who are sensitive to sound. But for the majority of users, these are minor drawbacks considering its overall performance. Let's talk about value. The Fieety V7 Pro is priced in the mid-range for cordless vacuums, and considering the power, runtime, and versatility it offers, it's a strong contender. It's a particularly great option for pet owners, people with a mix of carpet and hard floors, or anyone who needs something lightweight yet powerful. When you compare it to other models at this price point, it stands out for its smart features and the powerful suction it offers without breaking the bank. But if you're also considering other options, a few vacuums come to mind. The Dyson V8 is a popular choice in the same category, offering a similar runtime and versatility. However, the Dyson may cost a little more for slightly less suction power and fewer features like the smart display on the Fieety V7 Pro. Another option is the Black & Decker cordless stick vacuum, which offers comparable runtime but lacks some of the high-end features like the dual brush roll system and smart notifications. In terms of build quality, the Fieety V7 Pro feels well made, but it's not without its quirks. The materials used are decent, and the vacuum is relatively sturdy. Maintenance is straightforward. Filter cleaning is easy, and the dustbin empties without much mess. Long term, it's hard to say for sure since this is a newer model, but given the solid construction, it's reasonable to expect it will hold up well. The after-sales support for Fieety has been reliable according to the brand's reputation. They offer dedicated help if you need replacement parts or run into any issues, so you're not left in the lurch if something goes wrong. In conclusion, the Fieety V7 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner offers strong performance across multiple surfaces, excellent pet hair management, and modern features like the touch display. It's a great option for smaller to medium-sized homes, pet owners, and anyone who needs a lightweight yet powerful vacuum. While it may not be the best for deep cleaning thick carpets or for people needing long hours of continuous cleaning, it hits the mark for most users. If you're in the market for an all-in-one solution for your home, this vacuum is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested, the link to grab the Fieety V7 Pro is in the comments box below. Let us know what you think. If you own it, share your experiences, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Goodbye till next time, and remember, stay clean and stay smart with Reviews Inside TV.